guys, this is Usman here again. Welcome to another video of IKMC exam solutions. In this video, I will be solving another question from the 2019 exam for the Ecolier group, which is for the grade 3 and 4. So let's get right into it. Okay guys, so the question says 6 strips are woven into a pattern as shown. What does the pattern look like from the back? So this is the pattern that the question is talking about, and we have to figure out how this pattern looks if we look at it from the back. Okay guys? So in order to solve this question, we have to keep two things in mind. The first thing is that if you look something from the front, which is on the left, for example, this blue strip, it is on the left, okay? So if we look it from the back, it will be on the right. So it will be over here. Okay? That's the first thing. And the second thing is, if you look at this blue strip, it is above this yellow strip. Okay? But if you look this from the back, the yellow strip will be in front of the blue strip. It will be opposite, okay? So we have to keep these two things in mind in order to solve this question. Okay? So let's get started. If you look over here, the blue strip, we're going to look at this blue strip, okay? So the yellow strip is behind the blue strip, okay? So we're going to write a B for back or behind, okay? Here, the yellow strip is in front of the blue strip, okay guys? So we're going to write an F for front. And again, this yellow strip is in front of this blue strip. So we're going to write an F for front. Now we have to invert this, as we're going to look this blue strip from the back. So the back will become a front. The front will become a back. And this front will also become a back. Okay guys? So this is our pattern. Okay, and also this blue strip right over here will come over here when we look at from the back. Okay, so now we're going to look at option A and see if this pattern over here is the same. Okay, so over here yellow strip is in front of the blue strip. Okay, so the first one is correct, as over here it is front. Okay, here the yellow strip is behind the blue strip. Okay, so this is also correct. But here the yellow strip is not behind the blue strip, so it's not correct, and A cannot be our answer. Okay, let's do that with B. The yellow strip is in front of the blue strip, which is correct. The yellow strip is behind the blue strip, so this is also correct. And the yellow strip is behind the blue strip, so this is also correct. So this means B could be our answer. Could be our answer, okay? I'm saying this because we're only looking at this only one blue strip, and we have more blue strips to go, so that's why it could be an answer, okay? Now let's look at C. The yellow strip is in front of the blue strip, which is correct. Yellow strip is behind the blue strip, which is also correct. And the yellow strip is behind the blue strip, which is also correct. So C and B could be our answer. Okay. Now let's look at D. The yellow strip is in front of the blue strip, so it's correct. And here the yellow strip is behind the blue strip, so this is also correct. And here the yellow strip is in front of the blue strip, but it should be behind the blue strip. So yeah, this is false, and D cannot be an answer. Now let's look at E. The yellow strip is in front of the blue strip, so this is correct. The yellow strip is behind the blue strip, so this is also correct. And the yellow strip is in front of the blue strip, so this is not correct. Okay, as the yellow strip should be behind the blue strip, so this is false. And E cannot be an answer. Okay, so by looking at this blue strip, we have eliminated A, B, and E. B and C could be our answers. Okay. Now we are looking at the second strip. Okay. Let me erase all of this. Okay. Now we are looking at this blue strip. Okay. And the pattern is that the yellow strip is behind the blue strip. So a B. The yellow strip is behind the blue strip. So this is also a B. And the yellow strip is in front of the blue strip. So this is an F. So if we invert this, the B will become an F. The B will become an F. And the F will become a B. Okay, so this is our pattern. And the blue strip is in the middle, so the opposite is middle will still be middle. Okay. Now let's see if this pattern is correct on B. So here the yellow strip is not in front of the yellow strip. So yeah, B cannot be an answer. So our answer is C, because the yellow strip is in front of the blue strip, the yellow strip is in front of the blue strip, and the yellow strip is behind the blue strip. So that makes the answer to C for question number 11. Thank you guys for watching, and I hope you understood the question. Bye.